A team of coastal police and Colaba police rescued a woman tourist from drowning in the sea near Gateway of India in Mumbai on Sunday. According to Mumbai police, the woman lost control and fell into the water after a strong ocean current hit her boat. The woman was enjoying a boat ride with her friend near the Gateway of India on Sunday afternoon. Luckily, she was wearing a life jacket. It was the patrolling boat that rescued the woman. A team of coastal police and Colaba police rescued a woman tourist who was drowning in the sea near Gateway of India, Mumbai on Sunday. The woman lost control and fell into the water after a strong ocean current hit her boat, said Mumbai police. The Gateway of India is an arch monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai. It was built to commemorate the landing of King Emperor George V, the first British monarch to visit India in December 1911 at Ramchandani Road near Shamaprasad Mukherjee Chowk in Mumbai. The foundation stone was laid in March 1913 for the monument built in the Indo-Gothic style. The structure has incorporated elements of 16th century Gujarati architecture. The final design of the monument was done by architect George Whitted and it was sanctioned only in 1914. The construction work was completed in 1924. The structure is a triumphal arch made of basalt and it is 85 feet high. After its construction, the gateway was used as a symbolic ceremonial entrance to India for important colonial personnel. The gateway is also the monument from where the last British troops left India in 1948 after India got independence. It is located on the waterfront at an angle opposite the Taj Mahal Palace and Tower Hotel and overlooks the Arabian Sea. Today, the monument is synonymous with the city of Mumbai and is amongst its prime tourist attractions. Boating is a major attraction here for tourists. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.